Hello everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial where we will explore the powerful file management capabilities in elDoc. With elDoc, you have access to a wide range of features that make file management easy and flexible, allowing you to handle your files exactly the way you need. How to get started? Simply navigate to the File Management menu and click on it to access the file management functionality in elDoc. Uploading files or folders to elDoc is a straightforward process. You can choose to use the upload feature or simply drag and drop the files or folders to the desired location within elDoc. elDoc allows you to sort your files according to your needs. You have the flexibility to organize them based on various criteria such as modified date, name, size, etc. If you need to move a file to a different folder in elDoc, it's as simple as cutting the file from its current location and pasting it into the desired folder. Renaming files or folders in elDoc is both easy and intuitive, allowing you to quickly update their names to suit your needs. With the appropriate permissions, you can effortlessly download files or folders from elDoc as well as delete them when required. Start your free trial and experience the efficiency of elDoc's powerful file management capabilities firsthand.